The Looking Glass Self-Theory, Understanding Socialization and Self-Identity Formation. The Looking Glass Self-Theory, proposed by sociologist Charles Horton Cooley, provides a valuable framework for understanding the process of socialization and the formation of self-identity. Cooley's theory suggests that individuals develop their sense of self through their interactions with others and the perceptions they believe others have of them. This video explores the Looking Glass Self-Theory in the context of socialization, shedding light on its key components and its implications for individuals' self-concept and social development. The components of the Looking Glass Self. According to the Looking Glass Self-Theory, individuals develop their self-concept based on three primary components. Imagining how we appear to others. Individuals imagine how they are perceived by others in various social situations. They try to understand how their behavior, appearance, and actions might be interpreted by others, forming a mental image of how they are seen. Interpreting others' reactions. Individuals interpret the reactions and responses of others towards them. This includes verbal and nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice. They take these reactions into consideration as they develop a perception of how others see and judge them. Incorporating others' judgments. Based on their interpretations of others' reactions, individuals internalize and incorporate these judgments into their self-concept. They create an idea of how others evaluate their qualities, abilities, and worth. This self-perception is influenced by the perceived expectations, norms, and values of the surrounding social environment. Socialization and the Looking Glass Self. The Looking Glass Self-Theory highlights the role of socialization in shaping individuals' self-identity. From early childhood, individuals begin to engage in social interactions, seeking validation and feedback from others. Through these interactions, they develop an understanding of how they are perceived and valued by others, shaping their self-concept and self-esteem. Family, peers, educational institutions, and society at large serve as significant agents of socialization. The feedback and perceptions received from these socializing agents shape individuals' beliefs about themselves, their abilities, and their place in society. For example, if a child receives positive feedback and encouragement for their academic achievements, they may develop a positive self-image as a good student. Implications for self-identity formation. The Looking Glass Self-Theory has several implications for self-identity formation. The social construction of identity. The theory suggests that one's self-identity is not solely based on internal traits or characteristics, but is socially constructed through interactions and perception. Individuals develop their self-concept by considering the social feedback they receive and internalizing others' judgment. Role of social comparison. Social comparison plays a significant role in the Looking Glass Self process. Individuals compare themselves to others and evaluate their own worth based on these comparisons. They may strive to meet perceived social expectations or conform to societal norms to gain acceptance and validation. Formation of self-esteem. The Looking Glass Self-Theory suggests that individuals' self-esteem is influenced by how they perceive others' evaluations of them. Positive feedback and acceptance from others contribute to higher self-esteem, while negative judgments may lead to lower self-esteem. Continual process. The process of the Looking Glass Self is ongoing throughout life. As individuals engage in new social contexts and encounter different people, their self-concept evolves. Feedback and perceptions from various socializing agents continue to shape and influence self-identity. Conclusion. The Looking Glass Self-Theory provides valuable insights into the process of socialization and the formation of self-identity. It highlights the social nature of self-concept, emphasizing that individuals develop their sense of self through their interactions with others and the perceptions they believe others have of them. By understanding the dynamics of the Looking Glass Self, we gain a deeper appreciation for the profound impact of social interactions and societal expectations on individuals' self-identity and social development.